What's up, guys? I'm in space. I've been practicing my backflips. Check it out. Perfect backflip. No harness, no green screen. Ta-da! See? And there were no camera cuts. Not one single camera cut. And I did a backflip in outer space. So of course I'm in space. This is a space office. How else could I do this? Whee! Woo! Woo! Whoa! Whoa! I wouldn't be able to do that unless I was in outer space. Check this out. When you're in outer space, you have to bring objects with you. And then you play with them to show the audience at home that you're in outer space. Because whenever you go to outer space and someone turns on the camera, you have to show them that you're in outer space. Look! I'm in fucking outer space! See? Look! I swear to fucking God I'm in outer space! Why else would I have a fucking object if I wasn't in outer space? Woo! 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 See? You have to play with an object when you're in outer space. Did you guys know that all astronauts, when they go to space, it's kind of a rite of passage to play with an object on the screen? Scott Kelly bats the fucking water up and down with some paddle boards. Right? There's all these instances of astronauts just having to fucking grab something and play with it. They gotta play with it. They gotta play with it. I'm in space. I'm in space. I'm in motherfucking titty-sucking space, you guys. Look. Look. I swear I'm in space. That's why I have to fucking play with a fucking object to prove I'm in space. Look at this object. So as we've learned, augmented virtual reality, you can fuck with an object. Doesn't make you in outer space. You can fuck with all the objects you want. Doesn't put you in outer space, motherfucker. You can do all the stupid goddamn Hollywood effect bullshit you want to do with every little object you want to fucking play with. But it doesn't put you in motherfucking outer space.